Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a mechanical engineering student at University of North Carolina at Charlotte. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your Particle Argon device. So this is the box that it comes in. Pay special attention to the web address that they give you because that's how you're going to download your app on your phone. So you're going to need a smartphone and of course your Argon device, the Wi-Fi antenna, and a micro USB cable, preferably hooked up to some sort of stable power supply. So for starters, you're going to download that app that I was just talking about, and it's called Particle. You're going to open it up, and you're going to see this blank screen here. It's going to say no devices found. Press plus to add your device. Press the plus, set up Argon, that's what you want to do. And then you're going to have to scan a QR code on your device. So take your phone and simply scan that. And here it's going to instruct you on how to connect your Wi-Fi antenna, which I've already done. And hit next. And at this point, you're going to want to plug in your Argon device. And here you can see it's plugged in. Blue light is steadily blinking, showing you that it's in pairing mode. And congrats, successfully paired with your Argon. So it's going to give you the option to join a mesh network. I'm going to say no. And cool, blah, blah, blah. Next. And at this point, it's going to ask you to join a Wi-Fi network, okay? So you can either use a public network or a password protected network, but you cannot use a network like here at Haven 49. You see how it's open, but you then have to log in via the internet. You cannot do that. So what I'm going to do as a workaround is I'm going to use a personal hotspot on my PC. So I'm going to turn this on, and I've already set the password to something really simple, and it pops up right here. I'm going to click that and go ahead, type in the password, connect to device cloud. And it's connecting, and now I can see there is a device connected. And at this point, okay, this is more advanced. It gives you the MAC address here, so you theoretically could just pull this MAC address, pop it into your housing's Wi-Fi network portal, and then that way you can connect to your Wi-Fi. So I will eventually do that. Now you can name it. Bacon Banjo is a quality name, and hit next, and you are good to go. So at this point, we want to test and make sure that it's working, and I want to show you how to use the pin setup on this. So you're going to want to select your device, then go to the Tinker tab here. Now you're presented with analog and digital pins, and there is an LED on this board right here next to the micro USB slot that is connected to the D7 pin. So we're going to want to turn that on just for demonstration purposes. And if we select D7 digital, all right. So now you can see it is in D7 high mode, and that's with the digital right setting. And that LED I was just talking about is now lit. You can see if I turn it back to low, that turns off. Back to high, turns back on. And that just about does it for our demonstration today, and I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know.